Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. All right, now the dollar continues to roll over, right? It's more like a bit of a cycle than anything else, although we are starting to see some weaker numbers. Now, euro sterling, dollar Swiss down, dollar yen down, bit of a safe haven play there on the Swissy and the yen as well. Euro up, sterling now up. Aussie, right? The unemployment figure is terrible. It is struggling to go anywhere. And same with the Kiwi. The two sort of antipodeans, well, actually, dollar CAD, I could probably say the commodity currencies. And that sets us up for some really good trading, right? Once you recognize that, there's not too much that you need to do from here, right? If you even come down to the live trade signals, I've been saying it for a while, and there's a little bit of a period where there was some where euro wasn't outperforming, like euro against the commodity currencies. Right, let me just fine tune that box. Right, you've got euro Aussie, euro Kiwi, euro CAD. It's going up. Same with sterling. Now, this is where the easy, soft cash is. Right, so keep an eye on those things. Enjoy the mismatch while it's there. Right, that is an easy sort of trade at the moment. Euro and sterling. Yep, they've both got very bullish signals, but they're at the wrong end of the spectrum just at the moment. All right, so don't go looking for trouble today. You look through the numbers. Here's the Philly Fed manufacturing numbers, right? Bit of weakness there. That's a well-respected number so you want to keep an eye on that as we go through things. We've got Christine Lagarde speaking, right? The ECB president. See what she's got to say. She's been pretty passive and controlled. I can't see any sort of crazy stuff coming out of her mouth. So, and then you just got sort of building permits and a few other things here coming out. So there's not a huge amount to rock the boat today, right? Now, of course, Donald is he's just taken over every sort of news service, but he's keeping his sort of head out of the game at the moment. The market, if I come back and have a look at the various news, right? Central banks. Now, some of these guys, I don't know if they're trying to sort of get in Trump's good books, but Fed's Waller on board for an October rate cut. The situation is, as we come into these rate cuts or rate meetings, the US numbers are starting to sort of roll over again. That could be a rate cut. Now, I just showed you the Aussie employment numbers, really weak. That suggests maybe a potential rate cut from the RBA. With all these central banks coming into play, we are going to have lots of trading opportunities. Just have a look here too at the dailies, right? Now, a lot of these charts have broken down through technical levels, but if you have a look at the overriding factor there, the bull bear lines are holding in play. Now, Kiwi is still down below, but the rest of these, okay, they are in a good sort of buy zone, if anything, right? So, and the dollar pairs are below the bull bear pivot line there as well. So, except for dollar yen, right? It's the odd one out. So just take that out, and actually dollar CAD too. So there is some connection between the short-term charts and the long-term charts. You just need to know where to look, right? And if you are looking, keep an eye on the risk reversals and the implied volatility, right? So it suggests that this tells you a lot about the potential ranges. I'll be covering that sort of information in the workshop. I'll try and get a couple of training sessions once I've finished the workshop, give the rest of you a bit of a taste of how we can work things out. All right, so there we have it, right? Momentum is with the dollar to the downside. So when you're looking for the numbers, look for dollar weakness, euro strength, sterling strength. I wouldn't be looking for too much out of the Aussie and Kiwi. If anything, stronger US numbers, they would be the pairs to hit, right? Not euro and sterling because they're already going up with strong momentum. So focus on the easy trades. As I mentioned, euro, just come back to the live signals there. Euro against the commodity currencies and sterling against the commodity currencies. Very bullish signals there, and that continues, right? I'd be looking to buy on dips, get into these trades because they've got a lot further to go. All right, guys, have a good one. All the best. Cheerio.